There's something truly captivating about wooden rustic fauna art, a perfect blend of nature, craftsmanship, and timeless design. This style of art captures the beauty of wildlife, farm animals, and woodland creatures, all crafted from raw, organic wood. Whether it's a hand-carved bear standing tall, a delicate deer silhouette burned into aged timber, or a charming wooden fox figure adding warmth to a shelf, rustic fauna art brings an earthy, peaceful essence into any space. Rustic wooden animal art embodies the connection between nature and home decor. Each piece tells a story, whether it reflects the beauty of the deep forest, the calmness of a countryside barn, or the mystery of wildlife hidden in the trees. The textures of aged wood, the handcrafted details, and the warm natural tones make this form of art irresistible for those who love rustic, farmhouse, or nature-inspired interiors. The timeless appeal of rustic wooden fauna art. The charm of wooden rustic fauna art comes from its simplicity, authenticity, and warmth. Unlike modern, factory-made decor, handcrafted wooden animal art pieces have a unique personality. No two are exactly alike, as each carries its own distinctive grain patterns, knots, and imperfections, marks of natural beauty and craftsmanship. Wooden fauna art brings a touch of the wild into your home. It evokes feelings of adventure, tranquility, and nostalgia, reminding us of childhood walks in the woods, the distant call of a wolf under the moon, or the quiet presence of a deer grazing at sunrise. These pieces create an atmosphere that is both cozy and inspiring, making any space feel alive with nature's spirit. This art style blends beautifully with rustic, farmhouse, cabin, and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. It works well in living rooms, bedrooms, and even outdoor patios, enhancing any environment with natural textures and organic charm. Whether you prefer a minimalist wooden animal carving or an elaborate hand-burnished wildlife scene, wooden fauna art can transform a simple room into a place of warmth, heritage, and personality. Popular wooden rustic fauna art pieces. There are endless creative possibilities when it comes to wooden animal art. Some pieces are purely decorative, while others serve functional purposes like coat hooks, bookends, or candle holders. Here are some of the most captivating rustic wooden fauna creations. Hand-carved wooden bears. A symbol of strength, protection, and the wild, a rustic wooden bear carving is a classic piece of woodland decor. These are often displayed in log cabins, mountain homes, or rustic-style living rooms. Majestic wooden deer art. Deer symbolize grace, peace, and gentleness, making them a popular subject for wooden wall art, silhouette carvings, and intricate layered wood designs. A wooden deer head mounted above a fireplace or a carved deer figure placed on a coffee table can add a sophisticated yet rustic touch. Farmhouse-style wooden animal plaques. Farm animals like horses, cows, pigs, and roosters carved into wooden panels or burned into reclaimed wood are perfect for farmhouse kitchens and dining areas. These designs remind us of traditional countryside living, creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Bird carvings and wall art. Wooden birds, such as owls, ravens, or songbirds, are delicate yet striking decor pieces. A beautifully carved owl perched on a wooden branch or a flock of wooden sparrows mounted on a wall adds depth and movement to rustic interiors. Rustic wolf and fox art. Wolves and foxes are symbols of mystery, intelligence, and resilience. Wooden wolf carvings or rustic fox sculptures work well in spaces that embrace wild nature and adventure. Abstract wooden wildlife scenes. Some artists craft wooden art in the form of layered nature scenes, where multiple cutouts create a breathtaking three-dimensional effect. These often feature forests, mountains, and wildlife, adding a dynamic, storytelling element to the decor. Bringing wooden rustic fauna art into your home. The best part about wooden fauna art is how effortlessly it blends into different spaces. Whether you have a modern apartment, a cozy farmhouse, or a lakeside retreat, these wooden animal designs can elevate your decor and make your home feel more connected to nature. Here are a few creative ways to incorporate wooden rustic fauna art into your home. As a statement piece on the wall, Large wooden animal carvings or silhouette plaques mounted on a living room wall can create a bold, rustic focal point. This is perfect for cabins, farmhouse-style interiors, or rooms with a nature-inspired theme. On shelves or mantels, small wooden animal figurines, whether carved by hand or assembled from layered wood, add charm and personality to shelves, bookshelves, or fireplace mantels. As part of a table centerpiece, a rustic wooden deer or fox carving paired with candles, pine cones, and woven accents creates a cozy seasonal display. In kids' rooms or nurseries, softly carved wooden animals like bears, owls, and bunnies can add a whimsical, nature-inspired touch to children's rooms, encouraging a love for wildlife from an early age. In outdoor spaces, wooden rustic fauna art isn't just for interiors. Larger, weather-treated wooden animal sculptures can enhance patios, porches, and garden areas, bringing an organic, wildlife-inspired feel to outdoor spaces. The art of crafting rustic wooden fauna pieces. The beauty of rustic wooden fauna art comes from the materials and techniques used to create it. Many artisans prefer using reclaimed wood, aged timber, or sustainably sourced natural wood to craft their pieces. This ensures that the final artwork has a weathered, time-worn look that complements rustic aesthetics. Woodworkers use different methods to enhance the rustic charm of their designs. Hand carving and chiseling. Every detail is sculpted by hand, giving each piece a unique personality. Wood burning, pyrography. This technique allows for intricate animal designs to be etched into wooden surfaces, creating stunning natural illustrations. Layering and 3D effects. Some rustic fauna art is made from stacked layers of wood, giving the design a rich, dimensional feel. Distressed finishes. Artists often use sanding, staining, or charring techniques to age the wood naturally, making it look antique and time-worn. The beauty of rustic wooden fauna art. Rustic wooden fauna art is more than just decoration. It's a way to honor nature, celebrate craftsmanship, and bring warmth into our homes. These handcrafted wooden animals aren't just objects. They represent a connection to the wild, to tradition, and to the beauty of natural materials. For centuries, artisans have carved animals from wood, capturing their grace, power, and charm. Whether it's a majestic stag, a soaring eagle, or a playful fox, each wooden piece reflects the artist's skill and the timeless appeal of nature. Every curve, grain, and texture tells a story, making each piece unique. Why rustic wooden fauna art is special. There's something truly special about rustic wooden wildlife decor. It brings a sense of adventure, nostalgia, and peace into our spaces. These pieces work beautifully in a variety of settings. As a stunning centerpiece, a hand-carved bear or wolf can serve as a bold focal point in a living room or dining area. As a subtle shelf accent, small wooden birds, rabbits, or deer add a delicate touch to bookshelves, mantels, or side tables. Blending into outdoor spaces, rustic wooden wildlife sculptures fit seamlessly into gardens, patios, and cabins, enhancing the natural surroundings. The beauty of these creations lies in their simplicity and authenticity. Unlike mass-produced decor, rustic wooden fauna art carries a personal touch, showcasing the craftsman's dedication and the unique character of the wood itself. Sustainability and timeless appeal. Choosing wooden wildlife decor is also an eco-friendly choice. Many of these pieces are handcrafted from reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, making them not only beautiful but also responsible. Instead of plastic or synthetic decor, wooden fauna art embraces the natural world in its purest form. Additionally, wood ages beautifully. Over time, it develops a patina that enhances its charm, ensuring that these pieces remain timeless. Unlike trendy decor, wooden wildlife art never goes out of style. It becomes a cherished part of your home's history. Bringing nature indoors. In today's fast-paced digital world, having natural elements in your home can create a sense of balance and tranquility. Rustic wooden animals remind us of the wilderness, the great outdoors, and the simplicity of country living. They bring warmth to modern spaces and add character to traditional ones. Whether you place a wooden owl on your desk, a carved fox on your coffee table, or a majestic elk sculpture by your fireplace. These pieces transform any space into a peaceful, nature-inspired retreat. Final thoughts, a lasting connection to the wild. By choosing rustic wooden fauna art, you're not just decorating. You're embracing a way of living that values simplicity, authenticity, and nature's raw beauty. These wooden wildlife creations bring peace, adventure, and nostalgia into everyday life, reminding us of the natural world's endless inspiration. These handcrafted treasures aren't just decor. They're stories carved in wood, waiting to be admired for generations to come. As they stand in your home, they will continue to inspire, impress, and bring joy for years to come. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more unique decor inspirations. See you in the next video.